Mm. Guys, if you want to see how I made this salad, just stay tuned. I am fasting, and I fast 25 hours in 2 days. It's on 24 hours in a day. So watch what I make. Real quick meals. So I'm just going to use this griller. Okay, so we got the grill going. Okay, my grill is hot. So what I am going to do is put some oil on it. I only eat once a day, guys. I had to work my way up to that. So that's my disclaimer. I'm fasting for, health reasons. So my doctor told me I had to lose weight and eat better. So that's what I'm doing. So while my grill is continuously getting hot, I'm gonna oil both sides. There we go. So we got that oil. So now I am going to season my chicken now that I have oiled my grill. With just my favorite seasoning. This is Italian blend. I'll put some peppers, salt on here, For my sodium. Not much. Some pepper. Now I love pepper. Put some pepper on here. And I think I want some basil today. I'm gonna put some dry basil. And I am gonna lay this on the grill and then get everything else done. While my chicken is cooking, I'm just going to wash me off some lettuce. This is some half and half blend, organic mixed lettuce, so I'm gonna wash that. Okay, so now while I'm waiting for everything else to get ready, I am going to prepare, my little stuff, because I'm making a chicken salad. But I need some healthy fats since I'm, dieting so long. You need to put some healthy fats in. I'm gonna try my best to eat all of this because I can't eat again for another 25 hours. So I'm gonna take my time and try to just eat all the food. Guys, I notice this is a lot of food, but because I'm only eating once a day, I gotta get my healthy fats in, and this is the way I'm doing it. That way, I know that if I get enough of my healthy fats in, especially in one meal, then I will not be hungry. So basically, guys, this is my salad. Look at that. It's still steaming hot. You see the steam on it? All right, guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.